morning everyone and welcome back to my channel. My name is Pam and I'm currently in Grindelwald, Switzerland. Today I want to share with you my basic makeup routine, but focus on how I did my brow. I got so many requests for brow tutorials, so here it is. But first, don't forget to subscribe if you don't want to miss any new videos. Let's get started. I am not going into details about my foundation ritual because you can check that from my previous videos. When I first started wearing makeup as a teenager, I didn't used to do anything with my brow. But now I believe brows are the most important part of my makeup. On a really lazy day, I can skip foundation and eyeshadows, but not brows. They are that important. I used to get my brows done at Anastasia's Beverly Hills, but recently I've been shaping them myself using scissors and tweezers. But for every day, I often start filling them with thin brown pencils. Sometimes I would use the color from NYX, sometimes I would use Cosluxe. To get the perfect browns, the key is the 3 steps measurement. The inner part of your brow should align with your nose. Didn't get it? Watch again. Then I would fill my brows in even more, aiming for a perfect arch. Each person has their own shape preferences depending on their face shape and bone structure. I tend to like my arches a bit rounder because I have an oval face shape. Brows trend does change as well. Many years ago, I used to shape my brow a lot thinner. This is why I never got into brows tattoos or anything permanent. A recent technique I discovered to give your brow a more natural look is to use a fluffy brush with a powder shadow that matches the color of your hair and apply that to the inner part of your brow. Repeat the same process to the other side. The fluffy brush and the shadow helps cover pencil lines that might look too sharp or too strong. Sometimes I would use a nude powder to help blend the edges as well. Remember, always keep measuring when you build up arches. I'm using Anastasia Beverly Hills Pro Pencil to sculpt my brows. The Pro Pencil works as an eraser, covering any outliers you want to hide, as well as a sculptor highlighting and accentuating parts you want to emphasize, and that's usually the brow bone. The final step for the brown is the clear brow mascara, which I use as a finishing touch to keep my hair in place. Then I'll just quickly run through the rest of my makeup, starting with my face powder. Apply that all over. Blush on both cheeks. Contouring powder. I'm applying it in an E shape along both sides of my face. Not to forget, I always apply that along the sides of my nose to enhance my nose bridge as well. Apply highlights at the usual spots, cheekbones, nose bridge, cupid's bow, and chin. Quickly apply my eyeshadows by applying the light color all over my lid first, then using the darker color at the crease. Use a clean brush to blend. I just got this new eyeliner from Soap Glory in Boots. It claims to be waterproof, that's why I got it, but sometimes I find smudges at the end of the day. Another thing that bothers me is that I keep having to sharpen it, but luckily it comes with a cap that's also a pencil sharpener, which means I don't have to carry an additional pencil sharpener. Finishing off with a lipstick. Please subscribe if you like this video and would like to see more. And don't forget to check out my blog post at pammelim.com and my Instagram too. I am very active on Instagram story. Until next time, thanks for watching.